guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. If you here for the first time, join our DIY backdrop fun family and hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified. Also, don't forget to hit that little notification bell. In this video, I am doing another backdrop for a baby shower. The baby shower is actually tomorrow, so I went to our local store and I bought all of the supplies that I need. It sounded like I need a whole bunch of supplies. No, I only needed to buy white balloons. So I bought white balloons because Mama to be asked me to do a clouds out of balloons, so that would be really interesting to make, and I'm kind of excited. And there will be something else going on, not only clouds on the backdrop. So if you want to see how this backdrop turned out and what I did and how I did it, stay tuned and let's get to it. For my balloons, I will be using these types of balloons. These are 12 inches balloons in white. I went to my local Walmart and they had these 15 packets that has 15 balloons in them. They have large packets with 72 balloons, and they cost close to $5 for $4.97, I believe. And for these 15 balloons, I paid 94 cents. Obviously, it will be cheaper to get a bigger pack, but they were out of it, and I had to go with these small packets. As you can see, I have prepared my balloons. This balloon is the large balloon. We would need 4 balloons like this. Then a medium size, we would need 8 balloons like this. Then a little bit smaller than medium, we would need 8 balloons as well. And a very small balloon, the smallest of them all, we would need 2 balloons. To start on your balloons, you would need clusters like this. So how can you make those clusters? Take your balloons and you need to tie them together. I have 2 pairs together. Take 2 pairs and intertwine in between each other. And your cluster is ready. Let's start unassembling. So first thing you need to do is take your fishing line and the smallest balloon, tie that fishing line to your balloon. As you can see, I assembled my balloons. So this is the biggest size, smaller, and the very small one. We'll be starting with the smallest balloon and the smallest cluster that we have. Place your smallest balloon with the fishing line attached to it right in the middle of this cluster, and to hold everything together you would need to wrap the fishing line around the balloons a few times to make sure it's all secured and it can hold together. First step is done, and also I didn't mention, but don't cut your fishing line until all of the cloud is assembled and ready to go. So don't cut your fishing line. Next cluster. Again, you do the same that you did with your first cluster. Place already made cluster on top of your next cluster. That will be a lot of clusters going on. Place it right there in the middle and do the same. Wrap a fishing line around the balloons and make sure the balloons hold together nice and tight. So that's what you have so far. It's kind of like a pyramid shape. That's what we're going for. So time for the last cluster, the biggest one. Place your little tower or your little pyramid right in the middle of this big cluster and do exactly the same what you did with your smallest clusters. So wrap your fishing line around the balloons a few times and secure and tighten all the balloons together. This is what we have so far. So getting to the other side, you will be doing exactly the same thing what you did here, but switching your balloons around. So you'll be starting your next side, you'll be starting with the medium-sized balloons and then the smaller than medium, and then you will be ending your cloud with the smallest balloon. And as soon as I get to that small balloon, I'll get back to you and show you how I secure the fishing line. I'm here at the end of my cloud, and one more thing I need to do is to attach the smallest balloon right over here to complete our cloud. So all what I'm going to do is that fishing line that holds all of your balloons together, cut a pretty long strip of fishing line and let it go. Don't lose it. Next, cut second piece of fishing line and tie it to your smallest balloon. Ooh. I tied my fishing line around the smallest balloon. So what I want to do is to place my smallest balloon right in the middle of the last cluster, and with that fishing line that I have attached to a smallest balloon, wrap around the balloons until I have a little bit of fishing line left, so I can tie both fishing lines together and completely secure my cloud. My clouds are hanging. How did I hang my clouds? I took extra fishing line and then went or wrapped it around my balloons, and then on top of my fabric I pinned a safety pin and tied my fishing line to that safety pin. Here I have a few different color hearts that I cut out from just regular construction paper, and they will go on my fishing lines hanging from balloons. Next thing, I want to cut fishing line and then wrap around my balloons in 3 different spots, and then we will be ready to glue our hearts. Strings attached, let's glue our hearts. I'll be gluing my hearts with hot glue gun. This is how this backdrop looks. I think it's so cute. I chose 5 different colors for my heart, and I think it's so adorable. I'm gonna play with uplighting as well, and I'm going to share some pictures at the end of this video. This is it, you guys. I think it's a very cute idea for a baby shower. It's very affordable, very easy to make, and it's just cute and it's fun. I mean, I liked it. In the comments down below, let me know what you guys think, and just swing by, come by, comment down below, chat with me, you guys. I will be happy to answer every single comment. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye.